In March of 2021, I joined the Diamond C team. Prior to that, I had worked for 6 years in the poultry industry where I learned management skills, how to move large volumes of product, and the ability to work with multiple different departments in order to reach an end goal. I loved it, I learned a lot, but I knew I needed a bigger challenge, and that's when Diamond C gave me the opportunity, and I haven't looked back since. When I first started with Diamond C, there was about 540 team members. During my initial interview phase, I was told we were growing at a rapid pace. I wasn't really aware of how fast that was, but here we are 10 months later, about 100 more team members, and it has been a crazy ride. What originally attracted me to Diamond C was their vision, their goal of not just being a trailer manufacturing plant, but of growing and developing future leaders, all the while making an extraordinary product, and I wanted to be a part of that. When I first started with Diamond C, they had just acquired what they called the Blue Building, which was their next big project. I was originally brought on board to be the assistant production manager for the weld side, where I was tasked with implementing lean manufacturing practices, as well as gathering data for the weld manager. My first 3 months was spent in and out of the different shops, kind of trying to learn the trailer manufacturing industry, all the while assisting with their 6S program and doing a value stream map for their Fleet Next shop. During this time, my skills were able to be seen, and my leadership skills grew, and it wasn't too long after that that I was approached. I was approached as they were finishing the installation phase of the Blue Building, and I was asked if I would like to manage that complex for them. I spoke at a length with my current leader at the time, and he told me he believed I was the right person for the shop. He believed that I could get the shop off the ground and make it successful while working with R&D, engineering, and the main campus leadership, and I almost didn't take it because it was a new shop and I knew there would be trouble, but I realized I came to Diamond C to grow, and I took that leap. Starting a new shop from the ground up wasn't easy. There were challenges with the new equipment, a lot of it one-of-a-kind equipment, meeting deadlines, and trying to get to know a new team. But here we are a couple of months later, doing work and loving strong. My name is Siobhan Bradford, and together we are extraordinary.